Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to download hlonglangvpn app on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, go to App Store. Once we are on App Store, search for hlonglangvpn. Now you won't see any results. This is because this app is not available on App Store, or the other reason is, maybe this app is not available in my region. So what we will do, we will exit App Store, and go to Safari web browser. Over here, search hlonglangvpn. Now, scroll down, go the apkpure.com. You will see this type of page. Scroll a bit. Then, you will this download option in green color. Now tap on it and close the ad. As you can see at the bottom of the page, the app is downloading. It will take few minutes for it to complete. And that is how you can download hlonglangvpn on iPhone. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.